This heavy-duty iGAGING absolute origin digital caliper provides stable zero reference that stays set, which makes repeated measurements over long travel far more efficient and trustworthy. Its stainless steel construction and robust slide feel, built for real shop abuse, yet it still moves smoothly enough for fine work in machining, fabrication, and woodworking. The integrated SPC and USB output make it straightforward to stream readings into computer-aided design programs or spreadsheets, cutting down on transcription errors during inspection or layout. An IP54 rating helps protect the electronics from dust and stray moisture, so it holds up better than lighter hobby-grade calipers in harsher industrial environments. The large, high-contrast liquid crystal display is easy to read even when lighting is poor, and the included storage case keeps the long jaws protected between jobs. Overall accuracy and repeatability are impressive for a 24-inch range tool, making this caliper a solid choice for professionals who rely on consistent dimensional measurements.